Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, please head on over to YouTube, join our channel by hitting that subscribe button. And you can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, Akash at JustAnalysis1, Akash at Gecko0, and myself at JustAnalysis1. Okay. Yeah. Starting off the day great. All right. Taking a look at Shiba Inu here. This one's going to be really short and sweet. This is not really any change from what we looked at on Tuesday. Still waiting for a re-entry at 3,500. The profit target is still up at 7,750. It's a place that we really kind of looked at in all year so far, all 2 weeks of it, and then but a good chunk of November and December, the same price level. Stop down at 2,500. It's up 6% today, which is nice. It's better looking, but equally useless friend Doge, cousin Doge, is up a lot more. But yeah, Shiba could have a nice little run coming up here if it can catch a bid and find some more buyers. It'll have a nice structural breakout above this rising wedge that's present. Yeah, the downside risks are there, but it's definitely this chart's basically the definition of a very obvious high risk, high reward, low risk setup. I don't know if that was a Freudian slip or not, but yeah. Anyways, that's what I see. I'll pass it off to you, Akash.
Thank you. If you would just enable the share screen option for me. So things are looking pretty good for Shiba Inu from a lower time perspective. I see that Shiba has left a nice demand zone here, a daily demand zone ranging from 253 to 287. And it seems like we're going to form some sort of a double top here, comparing the candlestick bodies. So I believe we're going to get something. No, we're going to get a double top like this, and we're going to retrace a little deeper, probably retest the daily demand zone again. Actually, I'm expecting it to retest the daily demand zone again, where I'm going to enter longs. And the targets, the upside target remain the same, which is the 50 retracement level here at 340, and the range high, the upper limit of this trading range at 400. So assuming we get a retest of daily demand zone, this would be an 18% upswing, and this would be a 40% upswing for Shiba. As for the downside targets, this bullish outlook that is presented would kind of get invalidated if we produce a lower low here below the lower limit, which is 253. In which case we still have this 237 support level here, which I think coincides. Okay, no, it's actually this wick that was formed here on 18th October. So that's my take on Shiba Inu. Expecting a lot of upside for SHIB.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Akash, and thank you everybody for watching. Have a great weekend. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.